Funky D, everybody. Welcome back once again to Funky D's News Time. Today, the news when I get for now still on the matter when concern the closing of Nigerian border and the reopening of the same border. Then you continue wonder why, or continue wonder if these people, when they call themselves the Jubril regime, if they know what them they even do at all. Because then they confuse people thinking, say, more just go inside the matter life, alright? Una know say Buhari, Abi Jubril and his government, they don't come with different form. First of all, they don't come with Ruga. Then come with Hesmin. Then come with Boko Haram. No style when these people never use. You understand? Even to disrespect the rule of law in that country where they call Nigeria. Because for you to allow Hesmin, they ground your people, or Boko Haram, they ground your people, then means you are against the rule of law. You are against 200 million Nigerian people. Jubril government, that is APC government, then be anti-Nigerians. You understand? Then be anti-democracy. Then be anti the people of Nigeria. That is why they ask sometimes whether not from space, these people they from fall for ground, can't take over the nation. It can't be like see they don't know anything. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, these people won't be APC criminals, then be anti-Nigerians, okay? But they want one Nigeria. Why? Okay, they allow the Boko Haram, they allow the Hesmin, they allow the ISWAP, they allow all those bandits when una don't prepare for ground for Nigeria to wage war against Nigerian people. They allow them to kill Nigerians. But una want one Nigeria. Why? So, Nigeria is deeply divided. No security in Nigeria. Nothing. Upon say, with people of Nigeria, they cry, say they not get security. They not get anything in that country. Now, no food, no hospital, no road, nothing. Everybody when they done Nigeria, they hungry. They know they see even 1 square meal chop, not to talk of 2 square meal. Now, this same regime, when be Buhari's regime or Abakari regime, they want tell the whole African people, make them pack, come Nigeria, come they live for Nigeria. That is visa free. And they forget, say, some few months back, 3 or 4 months ago now they come tell us, say, they want close border. I mean, the land border. And they come, according to the news say now only one part of the country, now they close the border. The northern part of the country, they widely open. Both mosquito, both anything they come inside the country through the northern border. The whole weapons where they take kill Nigerian people, now northern border, all of them they come from. Now they can't close one border. Can't tell us here we don't close border. Now western border, now they close. Leave the northern border there as it did. Open. Anybody can come from Niger, from Chad, from anywhere. Now, not only that, ladies and gentlemen, that will not be the problem now. The problem be see the government of the day. They can't go Egypt. Because as this man travel go Egypt, when be the general, if I thought say 9 day there, now Egypt again, he go announce, say Nigeria go the open border for all African country to the trooping inside Nigeria just like that. One thing when I want to point out, be say, why can't be say anytime when this man, when they for Aso Rock, won't announce any important thing, now abroad, the man they go announce am. Why can't be say anytime when this man won't talk to Nigerian people, he must to go, it must to be abroad. There is something hidden, ladies and gentlemen. Something they wrong with these people when they rule as Nigerian leaders. Abroad now Egypt now go talk this one, not be even Nigeria. Aso Rock not they reach her. No wonder what they talk say the man now they land like ego. Now only on air that man know to stay. Because not be Nigerian people, Buhari Abi Jubri, they rule. Why it can't be any time when important thing like this come up, the man go run, go abroad, go talk am. You understand? So, I not just get it. So, now, the man now can't talk saying when hunger dey when the man not provide job for people when they in Nigeria right now, nobody get job, what they do? No job, nothing. No employment for anybody in that country. Make una remember. Make una remember, say no employment. People they cry, people they suffer, even people when they run, say man, hunger won't kill them. Which kind of government be this? Now, they won't go bring all the whole Fulanis when the whole African continent come dump in Nigeria there. There is an agenda again. There is a heavy agenda. Because then they pretend now, say, they want open border for everybody to come in. Everybody, that is the word where they use be that. But I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this one a plan to bring in all the whole Fulanis in all parts of Africa to consider to fight against the southeast and the southeast and the south people. That is to fight against them. I mean the southerners or the southern people. Anyhow, when you want color. This agenda of saying that, and then tell us they close border. They don't want meetings, they enter anyhow again. But now they tell us now, see, that is meaning the border now is both the land, both the air, everything is open. You can come in anywhere where you want coming from. Now the thing when Buhari go, Abi Jubri, travel go, this place go, announce. This one na total jihad against Nigerian people, ladies and gentlemen. This one na total anarchy against Nigerian people. The Fulanis don't declare total war to Nigerian people. They don't declare total war. Unamok they cry say hunger dey the land, no job, no employment. Even people self when we see that they be dead there before, then they run come up because of this tyrannic government. Now then they talk say the open border for the Africans to troop in inside Nigeria. That is the Fulanis to troop in en masse in Nigeria. Now their plan be that. This thing where they call a Ruga, when all of them are rejects, when some people still collect money, now the Ruga they come. Now the Ruga they come. Hunger dey Nigeria, una no dey address am. Una wan make people troop. Waiting those people, which job they want do? Which work those people want work to better Nigeria? When una say make them make them troop come inside Nigeria. This one na total, that is declaration of total war against Nigerian people by the Fulani Cabals. Now them orchestrate this one again. Now them plan this one now. Now they don't already, because as the man don't talk, I know see nobody they feed the challenge the APC criminals. Nobody they feed the stand up, they tell and say this one not be the right way. You won't bring in people. You won't bring in criminals inside Nigeria. You they claim say you close border. So this one, ladies and gentlemen, another manipulation from the APC cabals. I mean the northern cabals. The Boko Haram issue when they Nigeria, we don't hear say army people, when they send their people go, then go still call the Boko Haram, make them go attack army people. That is selling the soldiers. We hear that. We don't hear say the army people, some of them not they reach where they fight the fight. Now, you want open border for people to come in. When your land they burn, when Nigeria is on fire, with all the whole thing when they happen in Nigeria there, now to give free visa. Ghana, when near you there, they don't give anybody free visa. They're not saying make anybody dropping into their country because then they manage. Then they sit down where reach them. But Nigerian government, APC people, they know they sit down where they reach them. The APC criminals, and they put hand for on top where their hand no go reach. Every time the same. Now I make you see this man last time when they call Gabashew and Adesina. This one go talk good that way. That one go talk good that way. And the whole thing when all of them talk, it not come make sense. Nothing makes sense. Then they quarrel with each other. They know they sit down on top round table to talk, to discuss the progress of Nigeria. They know they discuss before they come out in public. Then go nyan first before they remember see they make mistake. They know they think before they nyan. They go nyan finish before they know say before they will begin think. Now the kind decision now when this same man they do. Today the news say another thing again when the man do when be the Jobri. The budget, what did they do? In fact, now almost 264 billion. Now him, Buhari, Abi Jubri, APC people, now they take over. That is the one where they will put in their pockets. The news say the budget, 2020 budget, now fraud by Buhari. Fraud. 264 billion. On top the normal budget when supposed to be, they are 264 billion when they won't carry put for pocket. You understand? So the reason why would they make this video today be say, I want to tell us say for the APC government or APC regime led by General Buhari to come out publicly. They claim, say they won't give people, that is, make people they come inside Nigeria without visa. When Nigeria day on fire, the Boko Haram fire, they not fit quench them. In fact, then when be the government don't tell the world say they no go fit fight Boko Haram. These Boko Haram people, now them come and they think say they go fit solve the problem. That first time when they start, that is say na joke. That is say na joke. Now then when be still this government now then still bringing the Boko Haram. Today now, the Boko Haram don't overpower them. Now look at another mistake where they won't go make again. Meaning say they won't bring in more Boko Haram in Nigeria, more terrorists in Nigeria, more ISWAP in Nigeria, more herdsmen. Ladies and gentlemen, to kill innocent Nigerian people for nothing. That is what they are doing. Now the plan of the Northerners. All because of this same power say they no go, they give power to maybe a southerner. You understand? All just because of this same power. Because they don't claim, even Shatima Yeri don't claim, say, they not they remit the power, give nobody. The power remain in the north. And nothing will happen. Look at Tanko Muhammad, they claim, say, then get the numbers to subvert our constitution. To even add Sharia law in our constitution. Say, then get the number. This one a bogus claim, ladies and gentlemen. Bogus claim will not make sense. Now, so these people that they deceive us before, years back, see, now, Northern and them get the highest population in Nigeria. When everywhere are desert in the northern part of the country. Then they claim, they count even the people from Niger, they count people from Chad, they take and they deceive Nigerian people. Even this 2019 election don't prove the whole thing. How these Northerners, then they manipulate Nigerian people, they come. When this, because when I remember, say this 2019 World War election, what then do? Then go Niger, Chad, all those Mali, go bring the, including Sudan. Then they go up to all those places where they go bring this man come. Go carry Hesmin come. When they take rig election. Now, not be only to carry now, then open, that is open border. Open it for them to come in without visa. Both cat, both rat, anybody can enter Nigeria without no visa. Nobody they question them because this man don't say so. How where the security personnel, like the police now, like the army, like the mopo, where una won't get all these things, where una won't take control this population now, when una don't talk, say, make them they come, these foreigners, when una don't see, make them they come inside Nigeria without even checking anybody. Where the police won't go check all the, when go control all these things. Abi I get data and when we say the data when go talk say this one a Nigerian, this one not be Nigerian. Data not there. Nothing. Immigration not get anything. Zero. And then go there, the man when they claim say na be the executive, they got pata when they also rock now, go they claim say then Sabi like the immigration. They suppose call this man tell and say we not get any database in this country, oh. How you want to control all these people when you say they won't come without visa? Where they work when these people go do when they come? Abi you don't create employment put for grant. So all these things are the questions when we see a normal country when they function. If Nigeria they function, all the immigration suppose ask this man. Including the journalists when they that nation. They're supposed to call this man when they there attention. Tell and say, all these things what they do, how no one take control all these things? Now the question, that is why journalists are there. But now, this same man, when they talk about journalists, this same man when be Jobri, who did, whoever did there, you know they let journalists to the yan. They don't let better journalists come up. People when go talk, then go arrest them. People when go say a word, then go jail them. We not just understand the kind of country when we say it will work for everybody today. My case be say the country they work for only the northern cabals. The country they work for only the top officials. The country they work for only the APC and PDP people. And they not consider you as a human being. They not see you say you be somebody. Sure you get. Now so the matter be. So ladies and gentlemen, now here from Kidi saying go stop today. If you know say you never subscribe to my channel, make sure you begin subscribe. You never share my video before, make sure say you begin share the video. Make sure say you comment because I no see on a comment and they keep me going. One love everybody and see you next time. Bye.